This is my second hybrid AZ2. I wanna check the Brix score, see how sweet is it. I cut one last week and I tasted it's sweet, but it's winter now. I'm not gonna judge them in winter time, but I gonna try it. I'll see how's the Brix score for it. This is AZ2. Yeah, I gonna try it today. We'll see. Good morning, dragon fruit lover. Today is December 13. We're gonna do like a little tours about December update. We still have some fruit in December, but because of the weather, they need more time until they change in color. This is Cosmic Charlie. We still have fruit, they are green. This is Scorpion. And we have a Mila here, half fruit. Maria Rosa still have fruit. Assunta one half fruit. Yeah, we still have some fruit, but they are not that good like a summertime. Even this orange giant, the one I collect them in the summer, in August, they are bigger size. But after the rain, they are doing good. But they have some rust, which is normal. This is Frankie's red. It's not ready yet. And cotton candy, we still have jade red. I think this is ready. This is Nicaraguan red. Wow, let's see this one. Wow, this is a huge Nicaraguan red. Wow, amazing. This is heavy, this is big fruit. Look what we have here. This is the Japanese Godzilla. Look how beautiful this one. Wow. This is Japanese Godzilla. Almost Christmas. This is Assunta 4. Oh my God, the fruit taking forever. Because at night, the temperature go down. This is X. It's hard to know if the fruit is ready or not. Let's hold this comment. Big fruit. This is Maria Rosa, it's not ready. This is Desert King, not ready too. We have physical graffiti hiding over there. I think I can reach it. Scorpion, not ready yet. Myla, not ready yet. And AZ2, I'm gonna try it today. Red Jenna. Wow. You know, it's hard to collect them with one hand. I cannot film that. This is all Regina up in the fence. Up in the fence, some Regina. This is Regina. This dragon fruit go up in the tree. December 13, and we still have fruit, which is good. Look how big this one. Nicaraguan red, purple haze, physical graffiti, Godzilla. Thank you guys for watching. This is just a quick update. In December we still have fruit. This is Kandur. We have Lisa here, but still it's not wiggling. Another Lisa. Hawaiian purple. I'm gonna go try Laverne pink. Doesn't turn the color. What's this? Oh my god, this is huge too. I'm gonna give him more time, it doesn't change color. San Ignacio. It's not ready yet. Some Myla. Wow. This is ready. Purple haze. Oh, this looked like that opened last night. The Pelora. but it's still pollination. Now the Palora start. Look how beautiful that. I think they're gonna open together. Yeah, Palora start when everybody finish. This is the winter fruit, the yellow Palora. I have two Palora here, they open early, but this is the fruit. I think there is one over there. Wow. This is Halley's Comet. Nice. There's one here. They are hiding. I don't know about this. Huh. I'm not gonna keep it in the fence, but I know the possum coming at night or the squirrel, they're gonna eat it. It doesn't turn red yet, but I keep a little bit of branch because I don't want to keep it in the fence. The squirrel is gonna eat it. We have Edgar baby here. Yeah, I cannot keep the fruit more because the animal ready, they eat them. This is purple haze. I need to collect them too. This is purple haze. This is what I harvest today, December 13 today. I want to see how the winter. This is Regina, like 11 ounce. This is Myla, 13.4. You see that this is physical graffiti. 1 pound, or 1 pound something, 1.1. Edgar baby. Edgar baby, last year I have almost 3 pound. This is 15 something, almost 1 pound. AZ2, I'm gonna try this one now. I wanna see the Brix score. 1.9. First year fruit, a winter fruit. 1 pound, which is good. Let's see Godzilla. We have Godzilla here. See Godzilla. 1.5. This is Godzilla. Okay, what we have here? Let's see this one. Nicaraguan red. In the same fruit, just I'm telling you, this is Nicaraguan red and Nicaraguan red. This one's small. 10 ounce, 10.3. And this is in the same plant. Almost 2 pound. 1.1 pound, 13 ounce. Almost 2 pound, Nicaraguan red. There is some plant they make good size fruit, and this is in December. It's the Christmas time. I'm gonna see this one, how sweet, the AZ2. This is my second hybrid. If you guys want me to taste any of the variety, let me know. If I still have them, I make a short video about how they taste any variety.